What we call the photo slideshow is essentially a really large slider, but it takes up the entire page, and it is great. It is probably the nicest photo gallery that we've included um, with our themes and website templates, as long as we've been doing this. And as far as the WordPress theme is considered, it's not that difficult to go and add pictures. The configurable items for the photo slideshow template, and you can apply this to any page, but you're not going to have anything on it except the slideshow when you do that. I'll just show you what that looks like here. The photo gallery slideshow page is the only items you're going to have is the full screen images and the menu up at the top and the contact us. Basically the top menu bar and the images. And so if we go back to the page, you're not going to need to have to configure the layouts because the only thing on there is the locked region, and you configure those through this control panel here. However, you can change the slide interval. So how quickly the slides transition. So 1 second isn't very long. Maybe we want to do 4 seconds. Maybe we do want to autoplay, or maybe we don't. Maybe the transition is normal, or maybe we want to set the transition. And the transition speed. How long before, as it fades? 1, 2, or 3 seconds. I think by default here, I think I like the 7 seconds here. So we're going to hit update. Reload this here. So that's 7 seconds, and the transition I think is just set to 1 second here. There's a little bit of animation to show you that the transition for that to the next image there. How do we configure the images in the photo gallery though? So what we can do here is we take advantage of the built-in mechanism in WordPress for having a photo gallery. We're actually using the photo gallery feature of WordPress, but we're displaying it completely different. So what you do here, and we'll just expand this down a little bit, is we have our photo gallery, and then what we can do is we can click on the edit gallery. We just click here, and then we can just use the built-in mechanism in WordPress to edit this gallery or add to this gallery. We can add captions. This is my first picture. Okay. We can add additional images if we wanted to. I believe we can even just click and, we can rearrange them if we wanted to. We probably want to hit save before we go and do that. But then make sure we hit update. Okay. And let's just see if this did indeed. We just need to reload the page, see if picture 1 now has a description. Ah, it does too. Whoops. Oh, my goodness. All right. Slideshow's going the right speed now. So as you can see, this is my first image, and that was the caption that we had set when we edited the photo gallery. Now, what if there is no photo gallery here yet? Maybe you're creating a new page. What do you do? What you do is you say add media. And you say, create gallery. And then you pick and choose which images you want to use. And you say, hey, create new gallery. We say insert gallery. And that is all there is to it. So now we're going to have a gallery with just 3 images. And we know that there's just 3 images. If we were to switch over to text mode, it's gallery ID. Basically, we're saying, hey, use picture number 74, 75, and 73 in that order. You don't need to get all technical with that. You can use the visual editor here. And if you wanted to update it again, just hover over top and click on that little icon there. And here we are. We call this, I don't want to call it Misty. This one is Waterfall. Lakeside. We just hit update. And hit update again. And photo gallery, we're going to reload this. We're going to see the first image is going to be called Misty. Yeah, how about that? And then next image, Waterfall. And the third one, Lakeside. And that's how you go about changing or adding a new gallery. So you want to have a second photo gallery page. And that's all there is to it. I hope that makes sense.